Okay, swipes, Atlas 101. Okay, now Atlas is this button over here, just above the war button. So tap that shit. And wait half an hour. I have no fucks. Okay, so you want to find where your home is. Fucking buttons and shit. So tap on where it says home, it'll take you to where you've got home. Now home doesn't mean shit really. Home can be anywhere where you see these green handshakes. Okay, so you can put your home anywhere and home doesn't affect shit. Okay, so you can set that as home. Oh, look at that, it's moved. You can set that as home. Well, fucking awesome. And set that as home, it doesn't matter. Doesn't do shit. Doesn't affect anything. Okay, so you tap that button on the bottom left, the horse and the helmet, and you see the troops over on the right hand side. It's got 62.9 thousand, so that's how many troops I've got. Okay, so that tells you how many troops you've got. Now they don't go into a particular barracks, so I've got currently I've got 4,000 and 4,000 troops building, and they're in progress. So if I collect those troops, so let's finish them up, and then I finish them off. My troops have transferred into barracks. Now that barracks doesn't go to where my home is, because if you have a look, now I'm up to 66.9, whereas I was on 62.9 just before this. Okay, so a problem that I hear often is, oh, I don't know where my troops are, I've left them in some barracks somewhere and I've moved my home. No, the barracks follows wherever you've got home. Okay, so if I push home to here, set home to there, and I come over here and look at my troops, I'm still on 66.9, it doesn't mean shit. Okay, the interesting thing that you really need to know right now is that you need to build up those troops. And the way you build up those troops is by getting gold. You get gold two ways: by hitting these things, which are called gold mines, and these things, which are called beasts, okay, or by attacking other players and stealing their gold. Yeah, that's my favourite way of doing it. Okay, so Warrior Jimmy, you fuckwit. What a wanker. Okay, so I've got to tell him that. A tool. Anyway, getting onto it. So, yeah, so you fight these things, you build up gold. Over here right now, you can see on the top right-hand corner, I've got 0 in gold, but I've got gold packs. So I've got 95 gold packs, which give me 500,000 gold each. Yeah, and the maximum I can hold right now is 6.26 million. Okay, it's weird. I thought it was higher than that. Anyway. Okay, so I want to use up these farmers that I've got. So you get farmers, right? I want to use up these farmers to revive troops that I've previously killed. Okay, so here you can see you've got these like in progress, open, instant summon, and then revive. So in revive, I've got 26.6 thousand dead out of a possible 114,000 that I can have dead. I'd need to have enough troops to do that, but I don't. And I'm going to revive some. So I tap on revive. Now I've got farmers. I've got 2,063 farmers, but I don't have any gold. But I want to use those farmers. So 2,000 farmers is probably going to give me 2,000 troops, maybe? No. Okay. It's not a... I don't have enough farmers, so let's drop that down to 1,500. Then it's still trying to use a bullhorn. I don't want to use any bullhorns on this. Let's go to 1,000. Okay, 1,000 is good. 1,200? Nope. 1,100? Nope, fuck you. Okay, 1,050? Can't. 1,020? Okay, let's just take 1,020. And 237, so I need 237,000 gold to train up those troops. Okay, and I can use my gold packs. If I use a gold pack like this, I'm going to have excess gold, which means that if someone attacks me, they can take my gold, but fuck them. I'm not doing that. I'm just going to continue here, and I'm going to use diamonds instead, because I've got a lot of diamonds. Okay, and diamonds are a dragon's best friend, because all the girls I know are dragons. Okay. Alright, so let's go yes to that. So use the diamonds. It's only going to take 212 diamonds. So it's fuck all. So yes. And the troops are building. Good. And so during that troop building event, or the troop reviving event, we tap the event icon and wait a year for the fucking thing to load. Okay, and I have one unclaimed prize. So interestingly, I just used 200 diamonds to revive troops, and in this prize I'm actually getting 710 diamonds and all these crafting shards as well. Okay, and like 24 hours worth of speed ups, like a day's worth of speed ups. So through here you get lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of diamonds, shards, and especially speed ups. So let's claim that. Okay, let's see how everyone's going. Oh yeah, right maker's always on top. Okay. Okay, so you see how I don't have a Primarch summoned. So notice that I don't have a Primarch summoned. So when I collect my troops here, it just goes straight into the barracks rather than onto the Primarch. Now, if my Primarch was at the same place where home is, they would go onto the Primarch. So you've got to be careful you don't load troops all over your Primarch, because you don't want to be carrying too many troops on your Primarch for attacks. But that's another lesson. Okay, that was the beginning. They're the basics. Okay, done.